A stormy wind and hurricane struck the city of Cornwall located in the southwest of Great Britain. The wind speed reached 33 meters per second. The hurricane was also accompanied by heavy rain, which impeded the movement of cars. Some roads were blocked, many trees were broken, roofs of houses were damaged. Large waves were recorded at sea, reaching a height of several meters, and shipping was temporarily suspended. The city's infrastructure has been badly damaged. Information about the injured citizens has not been reported. In 2021, natural disasters have become more frequent. We are seeing climate change in many countries around the world. It is not known how 2021 will end.